as I blend.
Hey guys, Apple Maniac YT here. As you saw from the title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be putting this iPhone 5S into a blender. So if you saw my last blender video, I blended up an iPhone 4S, and it, yeah, I'm surprised the glass blender did not break. The iPhone 4S turned to dust except for the metal frame. It didn't get a ton of views, so let's do an iPhone 5S. It has no battery in it, obviously, because I'm not wanting to blow myself up, and I'm inside, and it's 10 o'clock at night because I forgot to record earlier. Probably because I'm lazy. Because I am lazy. Yeah, I'm gonna put this thing in. It is iCloud locked, wrong color screen. It does boot loop though, so that's how I can tell if it still works. I'm really hoping this doesn't shatter. But another thanks to Jaden the Gamer for this idea. Not for, you know, the iPhone 5S, but he commented saying to do it with a 4S. I'm doing it with a 5S. And I'm doing it top down because I do want to be able to test it after this to see how bad the damage is. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Okay, down. Oh my god, dude. That's not good. Damn, it's actually not broken on the LCD yet. That's not looking very good anymore. And as I'm filming this, PlainApple247 is commenting on my videos. So just random shout out to you because I just got a notification you replied to my comment. Okay, yep, I'm gonna blend the hell out of this thing. Okay, damn. Okay. Now, if this blender does not break during this video, I can probably use it for even more videos. Oh, yeah. So the back is still looking fine. I think the top back glass is still not cracked. Let's test it. How is the LCD not broken? Oh, it is over there. A little bit. It's kind of hard to tell. You can kind of see right there, yeah. Okay, this thing's really strong, actually. I'm surprised at how well it's doing. I'm not going to push the lid on because it's hard to get off. Damn it. Oh, you can't even see it anymore. Okay, how's it doing? Not good. Damn. Oh, not home button. Power button is gone. I could probably use this phone for more videos if it does slightly well. What the hell, dude? This is as strong as LCD I've ever seen. Okay, I'm impressed. Apple, you're doing a good job. You made your iPhone screens blend proof. Oh. Oh. Okay, yep. It's not blend proof at all. It's actually... Oh my god. Oh, and it's gone. So I killed it. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna stop blending it. Let's just clip the screen on and put it back in the blender, even though the screen just fell off again. Now let's blend the hell out of it. Just now realizing it's hard for you guys to see the phone. If this thing still works after, I'll put a sticker on the back that says I survived the blender. Well, it's done for, literally. Whole damn top's just ruined. I'm surprised the top back glass isn't very bad. It's just scratched. I could probably get this working. Oh, never mind. All the display things are ruined. Look at that. If this thing would focus. Damn. And the screen is... Woo! I can't even test it anymore because it got ripped off the cables. But it's gone. And then there's just bits. Alright, well, should I throw the screen in again? Oh, the home button is in there somewhere. I gotta decide, throw it back in or not. I have no reason not to. This is just about the end of the video. Oh, damn. Oh. Alright, sorry, the lid went flying all the way across the room when I was shaking it up. I'm now hitting the icy drink setting. It's making it, you know, it's meant to crush ice. Oh! Okay, it's still spinning. It's not broken. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. This is what happens if you put an iPhone 5S that has a poorly fastened screen into a blender and turn it on. It's the definition of, I'd say, fucked up. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, peace out.